Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight shines on the Yumiwoow XLR cables, specifically their 6.6ft premium male to female microphone cable, which conveniently comes in a 2-pack. For anyone involved in audio, whether it's setting up a home studio, recording podcasts, performing live, or simply connecting various sound equipment, reliable cables are absolutely non-negotiable. These Yumiwoow cables aim to be that dependable link in your audio chain. Upon first inspection, the build quality immediately suggests a premium product. The connectors, crucial for any cable's longevity and performance, are robust and designed for a secure, snug fit. There's no wobbling or loose connections here, which is paramount for maintaining signal integrity. The male and female XLR ends click firmly into place, providing peace of mind during setup and use. The cable itself feels durable, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of regular use, whether it's being coiled and uncoiled for gigs or remaining static in a studio environment. A key feature highlighted is the 3-pin balanced shielded design. This isn't just marketing jargon, it's fundamental to achieving clean, noise-free audio. Balanced cables are engineered to reject electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference, which can often plague audio signals, especially over longer runs or in environments with a lot of electronic equipment. With these Yumiwoow cables, one can expect a significant reduction in hum, buzz, and other unwanted noise, allowing the true sound of the microphone, mixer, or instrument to shine through. This clarity is vital for professional-sounding recordings and live performances. The 6.6-foot length is quite versatile. It offers enough reach for most common setups without introducing excessive slack that can clutter a workspace or stage. It's long enough to connect a microphone to an interface or mixer that might not be directly beside it, yet short enough to avoid the signal degradation that can sometimes occur with overly long cables. The fact that these come as a 2-pack is a fantastic bonus. It provides immediate value and convenience, allowing users to connect a stereo pair of microphones, link a microphone to a mixer, and then the mixer to a speaker, or simply have a spare on hand. This foresight in packaging makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to expand or upgrade their audio setup efficiently. Compatibility is broad, as expected from standard XLR cables. They are perfectly suited for microphones, mixers, sound cards, effectors, and speakers. This versatility means they can seamlessly integrate into almost any professional or home audio setup, making them a truly universal solution for various audio connectivity needs. From capturing vocals with a condenser mic to routing signals through a complex effects chain, these cables are designed to handle the task with fidelity. In summary, the Yumiwoow 6.6ft Premium XLR cables offer a compelling package for anyone seeking reliable, high-quality audio connections. Their robust construction, balanced shielding for pristine sound, practical length, and the added value of a 2-pack make them a strong contender in the crowded cable market. They provide the essential link for clear, uninterrupted audio, ensuring that the sound captured or transmitted is as pure as possible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.